Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala rasulihil kareem, amma ba'd. Good morning, respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Mawaddah Ismail, studying in class Alima Ula. Wish to give a speech on the Republic Day celebration. On this occasion of Republic Day, I would like to thank my class teacher for giving me an opportunity to speak about the Republic Day. Today we all are gathered here to celebrate the 74th Republic Day of our nation. On 26th January 1950, our country got its constitution. We have got independence on 15th August 1947. But before 26th January 1950, we were following the law and rules set by the British. Since 26th January 1950, we have our own rules and law that are implemented to all the Indians. The constitution we have today has come into existence after many debates and amendments. On 26 November 1949, the drafting committee of constitution was formed and Dr. Bhima Ambedkar was appointed as the chairperson of the committee. After a debate in both of the houses, the constitution we became a republic country. Republic means that the citizen of the country holds supreme power to elect representatives. The constitution gives all us the same right despite any difference of color, religion and language. A grand celebration is held in the capital of India, Delhi. On this day, ceremonial parades take place at the Rajpath in presence of the President. The celebration starts at the gates of Rashtrapati Bhavan. The President of India unfurls the national flag and addresses the nation with Republic Day speech. The prestigious awards of the country are also given to martyrs and heroes of the army and civilians on this day. Thank you so much everyone. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Wassalamu alaikum.